request all of you to kindly stand up at your respective places for national anthem.
Very importantly, you all are requested to wear your mask. संतुष्ट हैं ये सामने बैठे अभिभावक और ये सारे शिक्षकगण। संतुष्टि और खुशी इस बात की कि आज उनके बच्चों को उनकी उपलब्धि के लिए सराहा जाएगा। आज वो तैयार हैं अपने नॉलेज की ओर से। आप सभी का हार्दिक अभिनंदन और स्वागत करता हूं। साथ साथ मैं मंच पर आमंत्रित करता हूं अपनी को-होस्ट मिस अंशुल गुप्ता जी को।
Thank you so much, sir. A very good morning to one and all. I extend my warm welcome to our group of institutions. Satyam Group of Institutions is one of the top women's college in India, providing UGC and NCTE approved courses. Satyam Group of Institutions is promoted by Satyam Charitable Trust, established since 2000. Bachelor of Education, Bachelor of Fashion Design, Bachelor of Textile Design, Bachelor of Lifestyle Accessories, Bachelor of Fashion Communication, Bachelor of Arts Mass Media, and PG Diploma Fashion Design. All these courses are in affiliation with Srimati Nathibai Damodar Thakurse Women's University, Mumbai, which is popularly known as SNDT Women's University. SNDT Women's University is the first women's university in India as well as in Southeast Asia. The university was founded by Maharshi Dr. Dondo Keshav Karve in the year 1916 for a noble cause of women's education. The motto of the university is, "An enlightened woman is a source of infinite strength." University is re-accredited by NAC and awarded with A grade. According to the Week Hans Research Ranking of 2020, SNDT Women's University stands 32nd amongst multidisciplinary universities of India and 4th in Western India. Thus, we feel proud to be the part of SNDT Women's University, Mumbai. Thank you.
in additional charge at SNDT University, Mumbai, Dr. Meena Prakash Kutte ma'am as our chief guest. I would like to request the respected chairperson, Satyam Group of Institutions, Ms. Sneh Singh ma'am and Secretary Mr. Pradeep Gupta sir to felicitate our honorable chief guest, Dr. Kutte ma'am.
Kindly give a round of applause, please. And for seeking the choicest blessings for the same, I invite all the dignitaries of the day to come forward and kindle the lamp. Yes, a huge round of applause for lighting of the lamp. This is such an auspicious moment. Students, kindly maintain discipline. Please be seated on your respective seats. Don't keep standing. Take your positions. Year after year, you grow older. Year after year, you grow wiser. Year after year, you shine smarter. With this message, I welcome all the people present on the dais and in front of the dais. Respected Chairperson Ma'am, Ms. Sneh Singh Madam, Secretary Mr. Pradeep Gupta Sir, our Chief Guest Dr. Meena Prakash Kutte Ma'am, and all dear staff, parents, and my dear graduating Satyam students. I welcome you all and wish each of you the warmth of this occasion on this great day. I further extend my warm welcome to my special chief guest, Dr. Meena Prakash Kutte from SNDT University, Mumbai, for accepting our request to be the part of this important day. Thank you, ma'am. By Delhi government and earned money during their internship as well. The girls who were selected for this purpose were Ayushi Pandey, Nishtha, Kanika Khanna, Mariam Khan, and Neha Kaushik. Congratulations to the girls. I feel honored to say this, that college has provided opportunities to the students to engage in various co-curricular activities and have made right use of the same
to shine while they participated in various intercollegiate fairs, competitions, and bagged several prizes. The active participation of every student of Satyam in inter-college activities such as seminars, fairs, and sports only reveals their wholesome formation and dedication to the formation of heart and not only of the mind. In the same direction, two of our beloved students, Ms. Surbhi Mittal and Radhika Vasti, represented Satyam College of Education in SNDT University Mumbai campus for Tejasni contest and feel honored that they have won certificates in the very first 10 positions. I wish we will achieve further good positions in future. This year results were extremely good. I feel proud while announcing the results of batch 2018-20. Total students appeared into the exam were 92 in 4th semester, and out of them O plus is being achieved by 8 students, O level is being achieved by 52 students, A plus by 25 and A grade by 5 students. In 4th semester, first position holder was Mishu Goyal with 96.2% marks. Well done. And the same marks are being achieved by one more student, Surbhi Mittal, 96.2%, which is again a big achievement for us and for our students. At the second position in 4th semester, it was Tania Sapra with 96%. It's a very close competition. Third position again shared by two of our students, Anchal Bansal and Garima Mehndiratta with 95.6%. It's really a big honor to us as well. And I am happy to announce the overall topper of this batch. And the name is Tania Sapra with 81.95%. Congratulations, Tania. Second topper is Surbhi Mittal and very close with 81.6. And these are the marks of overall in all semesters. Third topper is Mishu Goyal with 81.35%. And here again I feel proud to announce that overall category is also being decided, that extracurricular award. In the same direction,